Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Total Off-Road. I want to show you guys one of the builds that we had come into the shop. This is a 2017 Ford F250 Super Duty. This is a 6.7 liter diesel 6-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive obviously, and this vehicle did not come this way. This came to the factory completely stock, and we took it and we went ahead and made it what it is. So I'm going to go around the vehicle, kind of show you guys what we did to it. We've got all kinds of accessories going on here. We've got bumpers, we got lights, we've got wheels, we got a lift, and we even have some interior things going on here, but I'm not going to dig too deep into the interior because this is a personal vehicle, but I will show you guys the rest here. So when it comes to the lighting, which is what sets any truck apart from the others because you can spot it from such a distance even at night, we got some Highs lights here. They look super good, high quality, and this is what you want on a vehicle. You don't want to spend money on getting stuff done to your truck and it's just going to break down the road. Before we get to the wheels here, we're going to talk about the suspension. This is a BDS. I believe this is a 4-inch lift here, and I think we can agree that that is a beautiful stance. I mean, that is perfectly flush across the vehicle. And that's kind of the look you want. That's the look that's trending these days. And honestly, that's the best look. I know there's a lot of Carolina squatted trucks and whatnot and all kind of crazy stuff. This is nice and clean. This is the way it should be. At least at Total Off-Road, this is what we stick with. And as you see, you have your BDS traction bars and everything to hold the suspension nice and tight. At the end of the day, there's all kind of lifts out there you could buy. There's cheap ones, the expensive ones. But on this one, we went with BDS and we're super happy with its performance. It's been driving great. When it comes to the shocks here, you have Fox suspension all the way around. You have the 2.0 series, and it comes with even a gas chamber there. And what that gas chamber is going to do, it's going to give the customer a little bit of adjustability when it comes to the dampening so that you can adjust your ride to drive as smooth as possible. Now, when it comes to the wheels, we have some super wide American Force wheels here. The tire size is going to be 40, 15.5 by 24. And one of my favorite things is this rear bumper. So again, Highs has supplied us with the lighting in the rear, and we have auxiliary switches inside that can turn that on and off. And also, all of your parking sensors are still located in the correct places so that you can drive the vehicle anywhere and park the vehicle and everything works as it should. Got some nice smoked out aftermarket lights. I love the way they look. Nice and clean. It's not too much, it's not too little. At night, it makes the vehicle look very sleek. Not too crazy, doesn't stand out too much, but it just looks flawless. It looks great. In here, you have a really nice Gen Y hitch there. That's going to leave you in good hands. You're not going to end up like the Tesla Cybertruck in Whistling Diesel's video. One thing I forgot to mention to you guys is the tire choice. It is the Nitto Trail Grapplers. This is a perfect balance of quiet on the road, but bite off-road. And we tend to go with these a lot just because it's a good balance, right? Some tires are really noisy, some don't bite enough when you're on the trails, and this is a very good combination to have. Now, I also want to show you guys the side steps here. So we also installed these. These are AMP Research side steps, and they have worked so great, no issues at all. And anytime you have a vehicle that's this high, I mean, I'm 6'2", and even I've got to take a little jump to get into the vehicle. You definitely want side steps. These are quick, they're reliable, they don't make any noise that they shouldn't make. That's exactly what you want if you want a quality product on your truck. Now, when it comes to the interior, check this out. We have cat skin leather seats in this vehicle. This vehicle did not come with leather seats. We installed it, and I think we all can agree it looks super good. Also, check out the roof there. Nice little suede style interior there. Nice and soft, and great tasteful touch. All right, guys, that is it for the F250. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments if there's anything that we missed on this vehicle that we should have added. I like the vehicle. It drives good. I drove it here to do this video. It drives amazing, great power, everything. Do you guys have any questions that we need to answer? And also, if you're interested in getting anything done to your own vehicle, I'm gonna put a link down below so you guys can come check us out and we'll take care of you. I know we have a location near you. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.